All right, so here we go. Gonna start spraying. Looks like it's spraying out pretty good. When I look at it, it looks like it has a super nice finish across the whole door. Now, when I was spraying this, your first pass, when you overlap 50%, that first pass won't be, it won't have two passes over it. So I hit the first pass twice. I had this angle, like a 45-degree angle. I know when I was coming across straight down, it wasn't covering it as well as I thought, and so I just slightly turned the gun to face the 45-degree angle. It's very subtle, very slight. And then when I came over here, I kind of slightly changed it to face the 45-degree angle also. When I went to the opposite side, I did the same exact thing. When I get to the ends, I'm coming across to the end, I come out and just fade it out just a little bit, come across here, just fade it up just a little bit. You see, I've overpassed, got overspray both sides. One thing, this is exterior paints. I mean, some people are gonna look at it and say, it's eggshelly exterior paints. When you paint them, they look like really eggshelly, and then they begin to dry out over time and level out. The exterior paints don't give you like a glass like finish like interior enamels do. They act differently, they spray differently. A color like this, heavy bodied, tons of tint to create this color. The paint, it doesn't atomize as well as lighter colors, so you won't get like a super smooth finish, but this will level out very, very nice. I look at it, it looks like it's covered 100%. Whether you think it needs two coats, one coat, two coats, you can do another pass over it after it dries. It'll be drying about an hour, do another pass on it, and then pull the masking and you're good to go. But it looks like it's covered 100% to me. It looks pretty dang good. I got a nice even finish across the whole board. What I'm looking for right here, across the whole door, I'm looking for anything that doesn't match up. Is it have the same finish across the whole door, or is there something that looks like light, what I would say like kind of a dry feather, because I went too fast or I didn't overlap 50%. I looked at it, I can't tell from this lighting. I have to get over into this lighting to actually see it, because I get reflection and glare coming through the window. I can see it 100% from top to bottom. It has the exact same finish. From top to bottom, it's good to go, and it's gonna dry out and look awesome. So there it is, how I go about spraying a difficult door on the exterior of a new house.